How to start MLM company in Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to see about what should an MLM company do to start legally their business. What are all the steps and what are all the certificates needed to be bought, where all to register and in a detailed manner. Lots of people have this particular question in their mind to start an MLM company legally. For all these questions, what we say is MLM is not a product, it is a marketing tool. Now, we are running a software company. How to do business? I do email campaign, post videos on YouTube, then we optimize search engines to show our site up first with our employees when people search. We run marketing agency appointed throughout the world, and that's how we run business. Now, understand well that now we have registered only the company, our company, not the marketing methodology. We cannot do that also. Nobody will question you about the SVO of the company. Nobody will ask you the method you market, what business you do, what product you are making, what you tell your customers for service, what service you offer to the customer. Is this what we are going to register? Not what you market and how you market it. Now you understand MLM is just marketing method, not a product or not a service in this case. If you are going to do an product based MLM or an e-commerce based MLM, whatever you do, you should check for only the registration process. Or if you are looking for an investment based MLM, there is no registration involved because investment MLM is not technically legal. There are more videos streaming on internet that they say we have registered as private limited, so we are legal. Or we have bought PAN card on the name of the company, so it is legal. We pay GST, so it is legal. These are all not legal. The way you run your business, the method, the commission system, the withdrawal should be done without any problems. All this process only determines whether you are legal or illegal. Not just the registration process will stand for your legality. To explain it in detail, wherever you go, there must be someone or friend of friend or any relative will do savings in chit fund and it will be matured in according to its validity period. Most people who does business knows that these kind of chit funds are illegal, but we all do that. No one is going to question them. But from the government point of view, it is illegal. If we want legal right, we should go to RBI and procure necessary license. For example, if you run chits with an investment of 10 lakhs, you should be depositing that 10 lakhs to the government. If any problem happens, the government will share this 10 lakhs to the money with the people who are invested and solve it. This contains too many formalities. All these procedures only big companies will do, like Shriram Chit Funds or etc. We, common people like us, will do it only for 10,000, 50,000, or 1 lakh. So, if you are doing business, you should do it only by trusting yourself. Else, if you go for legal formalities, then these cannot be done. Then, if you may ask if registering in private limited is legal or illegal. Private limited is a company that you do business, type of business you do. If you run a business that has turnover more than 40 lakhs, the private limited will be more safe to all your investors, to all the employees, to the company brand. It will be a huge advantage. This is where the private limited will work out. A known person of us is doing a business worth of 15 crores. He is still running as a sole proprietor. He didn't change it to private limited. Now, no one will come and tell you that you should compulsorily turn your business into private limited. Then, if you ask, okay, sir, what should I be doing to start my own MLM company? Where to register? When you start a business, according to Income Tax Act of 1961, you should follow all the rules. Secondly, if your service only product for GST, government has set of rules and regulations. You should follow that. You should be filing GST and get the bill. Third one, the Company Act. If you are running a company, if it is a private limited or partnership or sole proprietorship, whatever it is, you should be running it according to the laws set in the 2013 for Company Act. These all are same for not only MLM business but for any business you run. There is no separate license for MLM. This is what we needed. If someone is telling you that there is separate license needed for MLM, then it is a fraud. Don't believe in it. Now, what you have to know is you are running a business, not MLM. MLM is just a marketing tool. MLM is just a method of doing your business. It is not the whole business. There is a product or service you offer, for that you are using MLM as business tool. So whatever business you do, whatever service you provide, you can check with what's the rules and regulations for that, and you can ask your auditor or legal consultant for it. If you ask for MLM, they might be confused. But for 99% of auditors or any legal persons, they do not have much knowledge about MLM. So that's why you should follow all the rules and regulations as MLM certificate, whereas there is no separate certificate needed for MLM. After this, if you have bought your own MLM business successful, nearly 1000 plus employees in your company with nearly 10 crore worth business profit, then what you can do is in India there are two types of associations. One is IDSA, next is FDSA. Both are private organizations, but they are into various advisory boards for governments. Big company owners all over India are in this association. What about this association is like how large builder companies are having associations, like how all software companies have associations like NASCOM. This is also an association. You can join this association for a detailed video about this topic. We'll be posting a video very soon. How it started, what are all the members, who are all the members, what does it cost to be a member of this association, what are all the advantages and disadvantages, all containing a separate video. Just know about what is IDSA and FDSA. These are all the big organizations. For joining this organization, it will cost you a lot, like more than a lakh. For the conclusion, generally, if you want to do an MLM business, there is no separate license needed for it. What product you service, what license needed for that product, that you should be getting. You should follow that rules given by the government. When you do investment MLM plan, suppose if you want to do legally, you should be asking your auditor in India according to 1982 year of Chit Fund Act and Chit Fund Amendment Act made on 2019. You should be running your business. This is a little complicated system. The legal formalities, if you are doing your business in large scale, you can take it. If you are doing it in a basic scale, then you should be doing it in your own risk. After some days, after you have steadied your business and earned a decent profit up to margin, then you can apply rules and regulations told from the government. You can run your business lifelong with more large scale, doing according to rules and regulations given by the government. There are more possibilities for running it successfully. So, after all this, if you have any clarifications or any doubts, you can contact me personally through my WhatsApp. I will help you with whatever I know. Thank you.